So guys, I'm just putting the washing on. I've already used my Unstoppables, so what I use is just Lenor Unstoppables. I love this. It makes your clothes smell really nice and everything, so I love this. And then I'm going to put some conditioner. This is the conditioner I use. It's the big bulky one. It's Lenor. It's called Spring Awakenings. This is my first time using it. I have never used it before, so let's go in and put it into the cap. It's quite a big cap full. Might not be able to. Okay, there we go. There we go. So I've used my Lenor, which is really handy, really good to use. And then I'm going to use some powder. This is the powder I use. It's called Pesil Powder. Me and my husband love this. I got this big thing, this big wad, from Tesco's, and I'm nearly out of it, so I just put a little bit in here. And I always put mine on 40 Eco. And then I press play, and then that's it. That's my washing done. So I'm going to show you what I use to do the sides and to make the kitchen smell really nice and clean. So what I do use is, I have the Florella in the cupboard, but I'm not going to use it yet. I'm going to use that one upstairs because it's kind of like a nice bed linen kind of smell, so I can use that upstairs and it smells really nice. So this is the one I use. I got this from Savers and is 4-in-1, kills bacteria, eliminates odours, lasting freshness, clean and shine, and this is the one I use. So this is the Flora. I love this. It smells like summer fruits because it is summer fruits, but it smells so good. And what I use to use them is I use a cloth like this to do the sides and everything, and I use a microfibre cloth to do the other one, which is basically the pink stuff. I had some sticky ice, I just put them on there. I love this pink stuff so much. It's just so nice and it just works. I use this on my sinks and on my cookers, and it just works so good. I just love this so much. So if you ever want to know anything to get out stains, the pink stuff gets out stains. It's so good. And then for like little bits and pieces like the door handles or something like that, I will use like an antibacterial surface wipes. So what I do is I go around with the surface wipe first, and then I go around with some Flora, but you'll see that. And let's get into the spring cleaning. So this is my first spring cleaning in my kitchen. Hopefully you do enjoy this little video.
So the first thing I do is put Flora into the sink, and I love doing this because it makes your whole room smell nice.
Don't take it, take it, just don't leave and live my life. Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up.
And then I get the antibacterial wipes and I wipe down all my counters. I like things to be very clean in my house, so that's what I do best.
Trying to look like you're winning, I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
And with Flora on top of the counters, and I also put it onto all my doors on the bottom as well. I love doing this because once you've done it, it just makes your kitchen smell so nice and it looks so clean as well.
Time out to be and live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life, hey. Taking just don't leave and live my life. Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh,
I spray the pink stuff on there, and this gets it really nice and clean. I also put it onto my wall as well, and I just make sure the whole house is just clean and smelling good.
and live my life. At me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
My sink, what I do is I drain the Florella, but I do put it on my walls as well, and I go around the sink and everything, and make sure I take everything off before I do the sink. And I just love it. I use the pink stuff on the silver. I do need to get some baby oil for the tap and sink, because then that makes it really nice and shiny, so I do need to do that. But I just love a clean sink, and it just makes your whole sink clean.
Be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a. Then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what.
In a stuff bag, and I make a concoction up, and I do change bottles, by the way, just to let you know. So I put water in, and then I put some of conditioner in a bottle. I shake it, and it makes a really good dupe for Febreze, and it smells really good on your fabrics, and it just smells gorgeous.
And live my life.
So this is my kitchen. I'm just doing a 360 for you to show you my kitchen sides and my countertops clean and tidy.
Don't take it. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying.
So now I'm going to be showing you how I use my concoction, and I just spray out my curtains, my sofa, and anywhere I need my things smelling nice. I do use it in the hall as well, and it just gives your whole house a good smell, you know.
I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me.
Do you like this video? Please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you want to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!